Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. I have now the promised, aforementioned in a previous video, swaps from my team event. So I've got a great big bag full of them. So the video for all of the amazing gifts that were given to me took up a long time and I didn't want to rush through these. So I decided to bring them out as a separate video. There might be the odd duplicate in here as well, because one of our lovely ladies, she wasn't able to make it at the 11th hour, so I collected up her swaps as well, but there is every chance that I've got duplicates. There will be duplicates of sweetie things, because the girls are very good and they give me treats and sweets and stuff for the boys. So anyway, so some of them need opening, some of them don't, some of them you can see as we go. So I'll bring a handful out. So they're not all going to have names on because we tend not to when we're talking amongst us. Whoopsie. Ooh, there's sweeties. Oh, I've just destroyed it and there's sweeties. Yeah, we tend not to when we're together, which is a bit daft because we do all then put them on video. So this is from Ivy. So she's got a little pouch here that I've just pulled apart and the sweeties have fallen out. So I'm going to leave it like that. But those sweeties are mine. So they're just going to tuck just up there and then the boys can't have those. They have the other bits. So that one is Ivy. Who's this one? Sandra. So this is Sandra Ronald. Oh, I've got two from her. Right, yes. So there's one for Jane. So I'll put that one for Jane. And I'll open this one for me. It's very exciting doing this because it's all a bit of a mad flurry when we swap in person. So if you don't know what swapping is, it's where you make a number of projects that are the same or similar. So you can see these are not identical, but they're similar. And you swap them away and then you come back. So if you make, say, 50 of them, you give them away, you give 50 away and you come back with 50 different projects that you can use as ideas or inspiration. And I can see that there's some chocolates in here, some after dinner mints in there. So yeah, you take 50 and you come home with 50 identical or similar ones and you come home with 50 different ones. And it's brilliant because it's a great way for people to see you do something different. So, you know, this is also from Sandra, but also kind of technically from her sister. So her sister had come to a craft event for the very first time. So it was a real privilege to have her with us. So she made a couple of them and she's made an easel post-it note holder. And I love this set. It is so cute. But the patience of a saint to have made 40 of these. But that's just so much fun and so useful. Right, we've got sweeties here. These are from Jill Chapman, Paper Daisy Craft. So you'll know her stuff when you see it online. It's all rainbows and amazing stuff. What you can't do with a rainbow is, you know, not worth knowing. So there's sweeties in there. So I'm going to put those there for small people. Now, these are from Julie Addison. And I believe that somewhere in my bag is a different version of them because she had the lemon sherbets that I've got here and then chocolate limes, although I might have pulled those out to give to the boys. I don't have this stamp set. It didn't appeal to me. It now does. It's a hybrid, so you stamp and then you die cut and emboss all in one go. But yeah, lemon sherbets in there. So Julie Addison, yeah. Sherbet lemons. Huh? Yum. Mine. They're going to go in my pile. Okay. So I've got two here. One is S for Sam. And, oh, look at that. Chocolate Easter eggs and a nail file. And I just chipped a nail. And so I was running around saying to everybody, has anybody got a nail file? Anybody got a nail file? I love that. So is this different inside? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Unless it's the different person because they're not decorated the same. And I'm going to have to snip, aren't I? So I was just saying about, you know, using the same products but making different cards. We've got bunnies and using the same product and getting different projects. So we've got two bunnies here. So what's in here? Oh, it's a big Easter egg. Don't like those. That's going to go in the children's pile. But I do like to have an egg. I'm old enough to remember toffee mallow eggs. Because I'm very old. Yeah, cream eggs. Love fondant. Love chocolate. Combination, it's wrong. Oh, I don't need to open this. So this is from Karen Tilly. So she's Tilly Crafts. And very sweet. A good friend is like a 4-leaf clover. Hard to find and lucky to have. Aww. Oh no, what have I done with this one? Crafting for everyone if on YouTube. What have I done to this that I've got only a bit of it? Oh, Yvonne, I'm sorry. I don't know what I've done to it. I'm going to look for the rest of it. Let's bring some more out here. So this one is Valerie Broomfield, who's come down from Scotland. Valerie's Handmade Gifts. She's got the best pens ever. Oh, and typically I don't have any. Do I have any on my desk? No, they're all over the other side of my office. She's got the best pens. She's got a name on them, but they've got like a little rubber dauber doodah on them, so you can do your phone or a mobile device. And my boys keep pinching them. Now that's a nice little gift. Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Eye Mask. Very nice. I love that. I love that. Yeah, we all need them after we've done a team event. It was very funny, the number of the girls who were like, I've booked tomorrow off. And I'm like, yes, me too. Who's this one? Karen Mackley. I love that. That's a really nice little bookmark. And actually, I've moved into Happy Planner, just really for the layout of my diary. I like to be able to have my days in columns. And Happy Planner do that nicely for me. So they do it in columns, but then they divide your day into 3 bits, which is all I need is morning, afternoon and evening. But I can't find a decent bookmark. So that is perfect. That's really good. But I like that. May the road ahead of you be brighter than the one behind, lined with wildflowers and covered in sunshine. Oh, excuse me, I've just deafened everybody. Lovely notebook, but this has been handmade. This is by Fiona, who made me all of the incredible rainbow stuff that I showed in my other video. And she's hand bound all these, and I saw she'd made 40 of them for everybody, which is just incredible. Okay, what else have I got in here? I've got all sorts of stuff. I have some duplicates, and I know these are for my boys, and these are from Verity. So she had a couple of extras, and she said, "Oh, take them for your children." So I might keep them for me because they are little vanilla wafers. I love them. I might put that one for me. Okay, what have we got here? Oh, we've got something for me to build. Oh no! Right, I've got it now. So this is a duplicate. So this is a duplicate of this. No, this one's one you build. I think I did something different with that one. So, right, so Ivy flew in from Germany. Got it now. Mine, I think, was a different one. So, there we go. She's given the sweeties. You put the so it's a piece of paper rather, and she's cut it and scored it in such a way that you pop the sweeties inside, and she's scored it so that everybody can build theirs and take them home. I'm going to just sneak that sweetie into my pile. Shall I take the sweeties out just to show you? And she's included the twine as well, so that you can make your own treat. So that's very sensible, because when you're flying, it's very difficult. I've done it before when I've done events overseas. Very difficult. And so it's nice it's not been crushed or squashed. There we go. Right, so who is this one from? It's got kitty cats on it. And from Jane. So Jane had come to her first event with us, and it was lovely to see her there with us. And so I've got a Tunnocks tea cake. Blooming love them. I've got some tea. I've got a cup of tea and a tea cake. And some little chocolate bunnies. They're so cute. That's going to go in my pile. My pile's getting quite big. That's okay. I'll give the tea to Chris. Thank you, Jane. And then I've got a couple of these. So I know that one of these is for me and one of these is for our lovely Jane. And these, I'm pretty sure these are from Rachel, who it is from Rachel Sharples, Crafty by Design. And the last event was her first time, and she, like Jo that I mentioned the other day, very much not her first time anymore. Look at that. Chocolatey sweeties. Oh, mine all boys. Mine all boys. I'll let the boys have those ones. But I love the cracker die. It's one I like to use quite frequently as well. And look at that. She's hand stamped all of those. And this one too. An Easter treat for you. Love. Okay. So I've got 4 of these. Have I got the 4 or have I got 6? No, I've got 5 of them. And these, who are these from? These I know. There you go. So these are from Pat, and she said, here you go, I've got some extras for the boys. So I'm going to put those there. And what she's made is a little, just a very simple fold up with some Mawams. And so that's got like 5 or 6 sweeties inside. And then just so you can tuck it away. That is so clever. I'm tempted to do that for my incentive trip because that's clever and sweet and edible. That really is clever. That's going to go in my pile. I'm very good. I'm sharing with the boys. This one here, so I invite my team to volunteer if they want to do anything, and I tend not to want them to do too much. I want them to come along and have a good time. But I do ask if anybody would like to make an inspiration table. So I buy them the suite of their choice. So that's all of the papers, the dies, the stamps and everything. And then they make literally a table full of stuff. And the lovely Gail Lockie, she chose the Hues of Happiness set. And she made loads of projects. And then she made all of her swaps and popped them on the table. And they hold an Easter egg perfectly. Oh, look, there's 2. There's 2 for the boys. No squabbling. Maybe Chris will take them both. Yeah, so Gail is at the Messy Craft Room and she made the most beautiful collection of projects. Just amazing. I'll have to hope and find a picture and get them shared with you. All right, let me bring a few more out. Oh, there's one of... that fell out. So I've got an extra one of those for our lovely Jane. Pop that over there. So I bring a few out. So I've got 2 of these. So I'm guessing one for me, one for Jane. And these are Janet Merrill's, Jan Merrill's, who she's come to all of our events since we've come together from lockdown. And there we go. What have we got inside? Oh, nuggets. Oh, I love this stuff. Oh, mine. That's going in my pile. Anyway, back to the project. That's really pretty, but aren't they different? Different colours and just a different way of decorating. Very, very pretty. Thank you, Jan. Oh, more chocolate. So this is, oh goodness, look at this. So this is Janice, Jazzle Dazzle Crafts. And she's, oh, look at that. That's very clever. So that's like an explosion box style, but no glue needed. And it just tucks in like that. Very clever. So Janet, Jazzle Dazzle. Oh, look, I shall share those with the boys. Aren't I good, Mum? Okay, so I've got some more bits and goods and stuff here. So I've got, so this is Tina's Creative Box Top Day. That's a little notebook and a pencil. That's really sweet. I love that. I do like that punch too. Very nice. Pop that there. And I've got a little card from Sheila. So Sheila organised our raffle for us. That's very sweet. And I'm guessing, because I've got a thistle up here, this is one of our Scottish ladies. This is Heather. So Heather, who got the, oh no, that was in the last video. Yeah, she sent me a Scottish tablet. It was very nice. Scottish tablet is amazing. But that's a very nice bookmark. I definitely, the whole bookmark thing. Ooh, look, I've got one for my blog diary and one for my regular diary. All right, so who's this? This is Emma Chellingworth. And what have we got? Look, more chocolatey sweeties inside. Oh, that's unusual. Oh, that's a Galaxy one. That is going in my pile. And look, mini eggs. But you see, I love making this style of box. I've made them many times over, and they are brilliant. That's a nice little treat with just enough sweeties inside. Not too many that I, going to tamper with the diet, but enough that it's lovely. So thank you, Emma. They're very sweet. I've still got more to come down here. Oh, here we go. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those from our lovely Ivy for the boys. Ooh, they're lucky boys, aren't they? And then my last handful down here. So I've got a card, I've got a duplicate. I will let Chris have the duplicate because I'm a very good wife. So, sending gaggles of good wishes. Oh, this is Angela. So lovely Halsey Lou, who's slim and stylish. Her mum is a demonstrator too. How cute is that? I just love that. That is really, really sweet. And then I've got a card here. Who is this? Oh, there you go. Look, they came as a pair. They do come as a pair. So Halsey is slim and stylish, and she is the queen of blends on our team, I think. If there's a blend, she's a happy girl. Then who are these from? You are what sunshine feels like. Well, that's a very nice thing to say. And, oh, this is from Jez, Nigeza. Oh, after 8 minutes. Mine. And I'm just going to send that to my pile. And then who is this? Oh, who's this one? Karen Matthews, and she said, wallet made from 6x6, fancy floral design paper, clouds inside. Oh, these are punched. So this is seed paper. Plant in the ground and wait for wildflowers. That's a fabulous. So you plant those and you don't make anything. You grow wildflowers and then the bees come. Love that. Thank you, Karen. And chocolate. I'll let the boys have that. I will share. So those are, I think that's all my swaps. Yeah, just amazing creativity from amazing people. I can't get them all on the table. There's going to be issue. Just best go that way. But yeah, amazing stuff. And the team is so talented. And it's so much fun when we get together. Our next get-together, in-person get-together is the 30th of September and the 1st of December. But we have got an online crafty gathering coming up in the summer. It's very exciting. And I will definitely be taking inspiration from these for my incentive trip that I've got coming up in May. Possibly signed up to do both cards and 3D. At least I think I did. Certainly contemplated it. Whether I actually went ahead and pushed yes is another story. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.